Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. In today's video, we are going to be learning the days of the week. Right? How many days we have in a week? We have 7 days. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The first day of the week is Monday. And the last day of the week is Sunday. That's perfect. What are these two? The weekend, Saturday and Sunday are the weekend days. Okay, guys? We don't forget that. When do we go to school? On Monday. We also continue going to school on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and in some countries also Saturday. So all we left is Sunday for our free days. Let's go over with the pronunciation of the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What is your favorite day of the week? You can comment down below. What's my favorite day of the week? I like Friday and Saturday, but if I had to choose one, I would choose Saturday would be my favorite day because I'm free. So, as we all number the days, Monday is the first day, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is the third day, Thursday is the fourth day, Friday is the fifth day, Saturday is the sixth day, and Sunday is the seventh and the last day of the week. So guys, today's video was the days of the week. I hope you liked this video. If you don't want to miss any of my videos and my English lessons, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye bye.